Hey Johnny, what are you doing, huh?
I'm hammering the table, boss. What does it look like?
Yeah, it looks like
I'm getting a lot of work done here.
I don't think you're doing anything. Well, that's how you do construction.
Like about to, but it doesn't happen. Yeah. I'm just like pissed.
Oh yeah, the what do you call it? What do you call
faker?
it? The dud.
The dud.
You could do
Bag of,
Got that?
bag of plaster still
There.
over his shoulder.
You, there.
Yeah.
You,
over my shoulder in a wheelbarrow.
go home.
Over your shoulder.
Alright, so here I have the blueprints. Now, the W16x31 frame needs to go into the I-frame. We got the T-frame, the I-frame, and the B-frame. The I-frame needs to go right there in the T-frame, and then we need to go over there and install the electric. Now, the electric is very important for this building.
Watch out, look. It's good. Well, you can see.
You're white. I mean, you are white, but.
You're white. I mean, you're white.
I don't think you got a picture of that.
Wow.
Action shot beside Jordan.
Yahoo!
Hey, Pang, get in here!
My name is Micah.
Hey, intern Pang, get in here.
My name is Micah. Hey guys, it's John and Jordan from Don't Be That Guy Vids. We are coming to you from the set of Don't Be That Sneezer here at the Oral Roberts University campus. This is their new student center. Shout out to them for letting us use their facilities.
If you want to find out more information about Oral Roberts University or the new student center they are constructing, click in this link right here.
And if you want to follow us on Twitter, you can follow us, me, at Hunterson, Jordan, at Jordan_Carter, and as always, Don't Be That Guy Vids, at DBTG_vids.
Stay tuned every Monday for a new release of another Don't Be That Guy for season 2. It's going to be quite the hoot.